Or go on, 2x.
4. It's in. It's in. It's in. That's another double fireball.
There is a lot of hundreds there.
Please. There's a 400. There's another 150, 120. Oh no.
Oh, that's disappointing.
That's 10x. Are you kidding me? There were so many red numbers. Bro. Segments. Oh, what a 10x battery charger. Yeah, it's in.
Oh, this got potential.
I told you to stay. And I stayed. Oof, that's a 500. Bam, 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 bam. Look at this. Look at this.
Even if it's that,
Please,
that's
green.
ridiculous.
Yes! Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god.
More push on it.
Come on.
But we can get a 3x top slot though. But imagine we get the 10 there. Don't be the worst. Please. Start up here.
Well, that's gonna be decent. In a decent
Ah,
spot.
okay, we gone now, right? No? But there we go. But that's 120x. We take that. 7-3 would have been better. 2x this now, please. Left. Stop! It's good though. It's a ding ding. It's a ding here. 3.
Go on, battery charger. 5x.
Good, baby. Good. Come on.
This has got potential.
100x and I'm happy. Max, so we take that. That's good. That could be 500x to be honest.
We better get it. Come on. It's red with about 50x. 50x good. I mean, it's alright. We're not getting it. Next one is 15. Be red.
Mother.
5x, 1400 winners. Let's give it
Two multis.
Alright, little
It's
multis.
like it's shy with the multis. It's shy. 11 or 12, please. 11 or 12. It is, ladies and gentlemen.
fireball.
Not the 5, but it's because it's a 2x. So we don't. 1000x would be nice. A bit 30 big ones.
You go. So you ready, guys? Are you ready? What jinx?
Here.
Where the ball lands.
100? 4? No!
Ah.
It's 10x. It's 10x. It's
That's super disappointing.
What's there, guys? What? 10x is the multiplier. Jinx.
oh yeah.
The winner's 1400. I asked you the question. Did you see the winner?
Did we scare him away, Nos? 8, it's good monster match.
Max multi. 3x left.
Oh, multi! 6x! No.
One, so
Man, 6x there, boom. I actually watched a previous session back on Raging Riches. Oh, 12. 12.
I don't know if I want to rate it though. Maybe number 12?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, but a 2x monster match. My hope is not high.
2x.
We need
Hit some
we need 14x minimum. I'll take 100x and then 6x multi. Boom.
okay, guesses what's gonna be the
Okay, we're profit.
8x.
And multi.
Gold.
Come on, something good.
Okay, I'll take that. I'll
Not
take
bad.
that. 2.1k. Alright. That's actually a really good one.
No, I want leaves. Leaves are helping me right now.
Now with Henny TV.
That or the 2x. That could be the storm chaser.
Come on, give us the juicer.
Ooh.
Numero uno. Numero uno. That's how this game works.
Good luck with that.
Watch this. 2, 3, 5.
Let's see the first right. 20 and 30, that's 18.
I definitely did not want to be that 30. 90 would have been better, obviously. But all right, back to start. No, it could. It could.
Ooh.
That's true.
4x.
It is true.
4x battery charger.
Don't give us like bad.
100x isn't the highest one.
Wow. If we can 2x that thing. Okay, I'll take a 120. I'll take a 120 and we're good. I'll take a 120 and we're good.
Oh.
Not the 8. Anything but the 8. Oh, thank God. Okay, 12 is unacceptable as well. Okay, multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 and dodge the 12. Oh my God, we're gonna get the 12. 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 No. Yes. Okay. We're guaranteed at least a 20xer, but I'll take... No, I don't want the 20. I don't want the 20. I want the 400.
Oh my God, all the way to the end.
Oh, you're guaranteed. Miss. This is the second time I've hit 400x on this game. This is the best game. I've hit it twice. I hit it twice. Oh my.
We're back with Shane TSG. Let's see if he can get battery charge on a 3x.
Way better, but it's 17. 17 has way more money on it, right? 5. So just the second one, everything is fine. Give me the second one, everything is fine, bro. Oh, I hate this game. Ah, yeah, it's like fucking always. You get the multiplier and it's always the lowest bullshit number, man. That's... Look at my sessions. It's... If I got the...
Some decent little multis coming through. Can you hit one of these 3x's?
7, 8. Come on, 8. 8 is 60 euro, 3x battery charger. Okay, let's... 69... Sounds funny, but it's 60 and then 9, you know. Come on, green. Not 9. There's 200. My heart. 45 would be okay, but... Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this bullshit. Come on, please, not... Oh
2x?
I can
Hit
see
the
the
2x?
6 bullshit green. Yes! Oh my God, there's something possible, bro.
Okay.
Red. Yes! Let's fucking go! Oh my God, please! Oh my God, please, there's 450x. Are you fucking kidding me, red? Yes!
Wow, is it?
Oh my fucking God, we got it, 60 euro. Oh my fucking God, guys, there it is. That's 27k.
Wow.
Yes, man. Let's fucking go.
Has it got the
Come
3x? Yeah, yes.
It's only 10 euro.
Anything gold, Jim. It'll be decent.
It's 6 times, bro. Imagine a multiplier on the monster mash now. You know what I mean? Multiplier on multiplier. Why? And what about the multipliers? Why? We need a multiplier on the multiplier, bro. Gold. Gold would be... Gold. Gold! Yes!
Ooh.
Bang! Another one.
Not massive.
Not that huge, but... This is still 84x.
Look at the golden head. I mean, it looks insane in a good way. 679 winners. Love
Decent little hit.
Gonna hit.
Right, we're now with TT Dante.
Oh my God, Ash,
This could be mental.
I'm worried. I'm feeling this one. Maybe.
Oh, this is nerve-wracking.
Okay. Oh, Ashley, it's gonna be good. Ashley, it's gonna be good.
250, 375, 500.
1,000.
Wow!
$200,000. That is $200,000, Ash.
It's not over. Oh, so close.
Go back up.
Okay,
Oh my. So that's good.
That's $200,000.
So you're happy?
Honey, that's $200,000. That's $200,000. What do you mean? Am I happy? That's $200,000. Yes, guys. Yes.
That was a hell of a hit. Fair play.
Yes.